Rehan was a simple 22-year-old young man living in a small town. Like many others, his dreams weren't very big, but deep in his heart, he carried one special wish. He wanted to drive his father around in their old family car. That old, dusty car had been standing outside their house for years. It once held stories of family trips, happy memories, and laughter. But now, it just sat there, quiet, and used, and forgotten. Rehan would often walk past it, glance at the steering wheel, and whisper to himself, "If only I knew how to drive." But there was one big problem. Rehan didn't know anything about cars. He had never touched a steering wheel, never shifted a gear, and didn't know the difference between a clutch and a brake. Every time the thought crossed his mind, fear would follow. What if I crash? What if the car stalls in the middle of the road? What if people laugh? Then one evening, everything changed. His father was sitting on the rooftop, watching the sunset. The breeze was gentle, and silence surrounded them. Out of nowhere, his father said softly, "Son, one day, take me for a drive to the mountains. It's been so long since I felt the wind on my face." Rehan froze. He didn't reply. But that night, he couldn't sleep. That one line echoed in his mind again and again. "Take me to the mountains." By morning, he made a decision. Enough is enough. I can't let fear stop me anymore. He started with YouTube. Rehan watched driving tutorials every night, how to hold the steering, how to change gears, how to stop safely. Then, he joined a local driving school. His first day was rough. The instructor walked him through the basics, the clutch, brake, accelerator, mirrors, and steering. Rehan sat in the driver's seat for the first time. He held the wheel tightly. The instructor smiled and asked, "Scared?" Rehan nodded. "Good," the instructor said. "Fear means you care. Just don't quit." The first week was frustrating. The car kept stalling. Rehan couldn't balance the clutch and accelerator properly. Sometimes the car would jerk forward, sometimes it wouldn't move at all. He felt embarrassed. But he didn't give up. Every morning, he practiced in an empty ground. Step by step, he learned to coordinate his feet, control the wheel, and feel the car. He kept watching tutorials, taking notes, and asking questions. After 2 weeks, the instructor said something new. "Tomorrow, we drive on the road." Rehan's heart skipped a beat. The next day, he sat behind the wheel on a real street. There were bikes, buses, people crossing, horns honking, and he was terrified. But as he slowly released the clutch, pressed the accelerator, and the car started moving, something shifted. He wasn't scared anymore. He was in control. Day by day, Rehan improved. He learned how to reverse, how to take smooth U-turns, how to parallel park, and how to stay calm in traffic. The instructor watched him proudly and said, "You're ready now."